This is an example of how to paint with Extreme Pbr Nexus and its texture paint. I'm trying to simulate paint stripping. With a touch of bump map, it also gives a thickness effect. In this example, I'm using Eevee Engine in render mode. You can paint all the materials present in Extreme Pbr. You can mix up to 4 materials in one. Now let's change material. I try to paint vegetation with dirt on a rocky material. You can also import your own textures and paint them, thanks to Extreme Pbr's Shader Maker. We could also reduce the hardness of the brush. By reducing the hardness of the brush, we can paint while revealing the material underneath. This technique is very useful for creating materials that are consistent with the object. Let's try to reverse the materials by making a fill. Painting materials with texture paint can really make a difference. The materials become more realistic. Texture paint from Extreme Pbr Nexus really helps a lot. Thank you for watching this short demonstration.